Alright, hello. Today, this is my Java program that it takes in a file and rewrites it. It prompts the user whether they want to print the elements to the screen, print it to overwrite a file, or just exit out. And um, if the input is not a valid entry, then it'll say that it's not a valid entry and basically get out. So here I have my print elements, which basically takes in the file and uses a scanner and reads everything in the file and prints it to the screen. This is if you select response number 1. For response number 2, we have a little more of a complicated function. We have a write file, which takes in a file writer, a file, and a scanner. It takes in your file path and uses the buffer reader to take in the same thing for the file path. So it reads in and creates a list and sends the array list each one of the values. It then initializes variable, creates null, and so it can be populated with the elements of the file. So while there is something to read and write, add line. After that, it closes, and then here we have a collections.sort, which sorts all of the the elements in this file, and then rewrites it back to wherever you want to put it, which I just created a separate file, and closes. So here we're going to run it. Right. So whole file, it's going to print everything on the screen, so you get all the values, and that works nice and everything, but I like this one a lot better. Number 2. So here what it does is it writes the file, so come here, over here, so we have enemy recommendations, which is everything out of order. And right underneath it, it creates a new one. And it writes everything in order, which is really cool because you can also tell there are some duplicates, which as well as seasons that are the same, just a lot of everything. And it's really nice because it helps you be able to see all of the duplicates and erase them or create a function to do that itself. I didn't have enough time to do that. And then the last one, where you can do 3, and basically just breaks the program and exits out. And it's showing right there. Here, if we type in another number that's not it, this is not a valid entry, try again, and it breaks out of the program. So yeah, this is my program, and although it did have some ups and downs, I feel like I learned a lot more from this than I would have learned if I didn't have a deadline. But yeah, thank you so much for listening and looking at my file, and hope you guys have a wonderful day.